Hey everyone, it's Mark here from Stocks Reviewed back with another video. And today I'm going to be breaking down Jeff Brown's latest pitch about something he's calling Trump's Endgame. If you've seen his promotions before, you'll know Jeff likes to go big on hype. Therefore, my goal here is to cut through the noise and reveal the stock he's teasing, so you don't have to go buy a newsletter just to find out. So, who is Jeff Brown? He's a former high-tech executive who spent years working in the tech industry before pivoting into the financial newsletter space. He markets himself as a Silicon Valley insider, an angel investor, and even someone who's advised government agencies like the Pentagon. These days, he's best known for publishing investment newsletters like the Near Future Report, where he recommends the next big tech stocks based on his research. He has perfected the art of building intrigue around a company to convince you that his research service holds the key to unlocking those opportunities. Now, if we go back to his new pitch, his big claim is that Trump is about to trigger a $12 trillion manufacturing revolution using a new technology that could reshape the American economy. Jeff suggests there's more to the Trump-Musk feud than what plays out in the media. He claims that behind the scenes, Trump's administration actually awarded Elon Musk a $200 million Department of Defense contract. Jeff says this is just the beginning, and that Musk's technology could become America's economic superweapon in a standoff with China. He then frames this as the fulfillment of Trump's promise to restore U.S. manufacturing and usher in a new golden age. The big stumbling block to that vision, according to Jeff, is America's shortage of cheap labor compared to China. In his view, the U.S. simply can't compete with China's enormous low-cost workforce, and that's where technology comes in. According to Jeff, the cure is robotics. He argues that robotics can make up for the labor shortage and finally give America the edge it needs in manufacturing. This is where Musk comes in. Jeff points out that Elon Musk's humanoid robot, known as Optimus, will be key. Optimus, he says, is capable of using vision, instinct, and dexterity to act with human-like precision. For Jeff, this is the key that unlocks America's path to reshoring manufacturing and competing with China. So how does this tie into an investment opportunity? Well, the obvious play here would be Tesla, since they're the ones building Optimus. But Jeff says Tesla is not the best stock for this. Instead, he's focused on a little-known supplier that provides a critical sensor component for both Tesla's self-driving cars and, by extension, Optimus. These sensors allow machines to see in real time, which is what makes self-driving cars and humanoid robots viable. Jeff claims this company is already a Tesla supplier and has major customers in the automotive and manufacturing industries. He even mentions that Morgan Stanley has recommended the stock as a robotics play, and that 144 hedge funds already hold it. Yet, according to him, it's still under the radar for most retail investors. As usual, he doesn't reveal the name outright. Instead, he says it's all in a special report. And, as expected, you only get that report if you sign up for his paid newsletter, the Near Future Report. Before I reveal the company, let's pause for a second on the newsletter itself. The Near Future Report is Jeff Brown's flagship publication. It's basically his platform for highlighting big tech trends and recommending stocks tied to those trends. For a fee, you get his monthly reports, stock recommendations, updates, and access to special research reports, like the one tied to this Trump's Endgame pitch. Now, you don't need to buy the subscription to know the company he's talking about. Based on the clues Jeff gives, the company he's teasing is almost certainly ON Semiconductor Corporation, ticker symbol ON. So what does ON Semiconductor do? They're a leading supplier of power and sensor technologies for automotive, industrial, and manufacturing applications. They make imaging sensors and intelligent power solutions for things like electric vehicles, advanced driver assistance systems, and, yes, robotics. They're a confirmed supplier to Tesla, Volkswagen, Hyundai, and NIO, among others. Financially, ON Semiconductor has had a strong run in recent years, benefiting from the shift toward EVs, automation, and smart manufacturing. It's traded in a healthy range and has seen periods of solid growth. Like any tech supplier, it's not immune to broader market volatility. But the company is considered well-positioned in areas of long-term growth, including vehicle electrification and, increasingly, robotics. Analysts generally see ON as a solid player in the semiconductor space, though valuations and short-term performance can swing. If you're interested in ON Semiconductor, by all means, research it yourself and decide whether it fits your investment strategy. But don't feel pressured by the kind of urgency and hype these pitches are designed to create. Investing always carries risk, and you should align your decisions with your own financial goals and risk tolerance. And of course, if you're not sure, it's always smart to speak with a financial advisor before putting money into any stock. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to check out more teaser breakdowns on this channel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up below and subscribe for more.